Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Trick App channel, and in this video we're going to be learning how you can remove a logo in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Right now, as you can see onto my timeline, we have a video of this dog and we have a logo on the top left side of our screen and we need to remove it. The steps are pretty simple. First, you need to head over to your project, and in here we need to create a new color mat. So click on this little icon called new item and then click on color mat. When you do that, click on OK, and from here we're going to be selecting the color that is already there for the background of this dog. Choose that color and click on OK, and now your color mat is created. From here we're going to be adjusting it on top of our logo. So head over to your effects control and in here click on motion and simply use these little handles to adjust the size of this box so you can easily fit it over this logo. And now when you click anywhere on your timeline and play your video, you will be able to see that our logo is removed. And that's a pretty simple process on how to remove a logo in Adobe Premiere Pro. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.